Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you drag and drop. Rhapsody 10 introduced a drag and drop API, so this feature isn't available in Rhapsody 9. Now that API is still fairly limited. As it improves, then I'll add more features to the Power Pack that uses it. But for now, you can only drag from web pages onto the Rhapsody browser. Now those web pages may be regular web pages, or they may be ones that are looking at the IBM Engineering Lifecycle Management server. Let's start with regular non-ELM web pages. Now I can drag from anywhere on the page, including the address bar, and that will create a hyperlink. Now of course you don't need to be on Rhapsody Model Manager for that to work. That will work with any Rhapsody model. However, the start of that drag operation has to be a valid HTTP-based link. For example, if I hover over this link, then I get a little pop-up at the bottom that indicates this is a HTTP link, and I can drag it into Rhapsody to make a hyperlink. However, this settings link here, that's not a HTTP link. There's no pop-up for the address. And if I click it, it opens a menu. It has some sort of action behind it. Now that's not a valid source for a drag and drop operation. I can also drag from a web page in IBM Engineering Lifecycle Management. That will create an OSLC link. Now again, it has to be a valid source link, such as these IDs in this module in Doors Next. Dragging one of those will create an OSLC link. If you're dragging from requirements management, then you don't even need to be logged into RM in Rhapsody, since the links are created in the Rhapsody model and they will resolve when you do log in later. You can set the default link type that gets created here in the properties, which is also where you enable the OSLC drag and drop capability. That's switched off by default, since drag and drop is available natively if you have Rhapsody 10.01 iFix 1 or greater. Now the Power Pack supports requirements management and task management, but not quality management, since there is no valid draggable link anywhere in the QM web pages. The Rhapsody native capability I mentioned earlier works around that by running queries against the server when you perform a drag. Now the Power Pack doesn't do that, as it would require you to authenticate. If you combine this feature with the open web page feature I showed in a previous video, then you can use drag and drop while staying completely in the Rhapsody UI. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of the series, we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.